Yo, what up everybody? This is Will. Welcome back to Team Visionaries. Today we are in Shanghai Automotive Exhibition. And I think it's a good opportunity to introduce what we are working on and what we have products over here. And let's check it out. At this exhibition, we focus on showcase the new upgrade kits for the Porsche Cayenne and Mercedes G-Class. For the Porsche Cayenne, we offer a complete interior solution to upgrade older models to the latest high-end luxury version. This includes full soft touch wrapping, upgrade to the center console and the door panels, ambient lighting, and advanced technology modifications with multiple large LCD screens. Also, for the Mercedes G-Class, we presented an old to new upgrade solution for 2002 to 2018 models, featuring door screen, the column shifter, ambient lighting, electronic handbrakes to create an unparalleled sense of luxury and technology. Since our products are very popular worldwide, and what's the unique features do they have, and what's the special things we can provide to our customers? Our products are renowned for their OEM high-quality standards. Whether it's luxury interior kits for Porsche Cayenne or advanced technologies for Mercedes G-Classes, they greatly enhance both performance and sense of art. These upgrades give older models new life, meet the quality demands of car owners. What products can we expect in the future, and what's the expectation and plans we can do in this career? In the future, we plan to introduce more customization options for luxury vehicles, including the popular Brabus kit and modifications for the G-Wagon W465, meet personalized needs of all car owners. We also aim to expand into electronic vehicle market, offering individual solutions for both environmental protection and luxury, setting a new trend in the industry. Alright everybody, this is all we have in this Shanghai, China Automotive Exhibition. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. This is Veektuning, and we will show you more about the modification parts in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit like. Thank you so much. See you next video.